Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll teach you how to connect your MetaPixel and Conversion API to your WordPress website. So here's the step on how to do it. The first step is you have to go to your Facebook Business Ads Manager account. The link is business.facebook.com/adsmanager, and then you click on your business or tools. So you scroll down to Event Manager and then you open it. Click on the Event Manager. So after that, then the next step is you click on the plus button here, which is Connect Data Sources. So you click on it and then you click on Web. After you've marked it, then you click on Connect here. So the next step is you have to name your pixel. So give your pixel a name. I'll name mine as Poppy Media Website. So you click on Create Pixel. So once you've done that, the next step is you have to copy your website link. That is your WordPress website link. You have to copy it and then you paste it here. So I will copy mine and then paste it here. Look at it. Then click on next. So the next step is choose how to connect your website. So the first step is Conversions API and MetaPixel, and the second one is MetaPixel only. So this first option is recommended. Use it. So choose the Conversions API and MetaPixel and then you click on next. So click on next. Stop. So now the next step is set up Conversions API to connect website activity. So you have to set up your Conversions API and MetaPixel by connecting it to your WordPress website. So you have three options here. The first one is set up with partner integration, set up with Conversions API gateway, and then lastly set up manually. So choose the first step, which is click already. So just click on the next button and then choose a partner. So we are setting this pixel for a WordPress website. So you click on WordPress, and then the next thing is you have to log in your WordPress website admin. So I already logged in mine, and then the next thing is go to your plugins and then you install a new plugins. So you click on add new. So you click on add new and then you search for Facebook Pixel for WordPress. So you search for it